Meaning of dizziness.
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 Dizziness. Dizziness is a feeling of being lightheaded, unsteady, or faint. The sensation can be accompanied by a spinning or whirling sensation called vertigo. It can be caused by various factors, including low blood pressure, anemia, dehydration, inner ear disorders, medication side effects, and anxiety. Symptoms may include nausea, sweating, and difficulty concentrating. Treatment depends on the underlying cause and may include medication, hydration, or physical therapy. It's important to seek medical attention if dizziness is severe, sudden, or accompanied by chest pain, shortness of breath, or loss of consciousness.